अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व अला आलिहि व अस्हाबिहि अजमईन अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम फ़या इबादल्लाह ऊसीकुम व इय्याकुम बित्तक़वल्लाह अय्युहल मुस्लिमून इन्नल इस्लाम दीनुन कामिलुन यहदीना फ़ी कुल्लि अम्रिन कैफ़ नतकल्लमु व कैफ़ नुआमिलुन नास व कैफ़ नुतह्हिरु क़ुलूबना अव्वलुहु तौहीद ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह खालिक़ु कुल्लि शै सुम्मा इत्तिबाअन नबिय्यु सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम फ़िर रहमा वस्सिद्क़ व हुस्नुल ख़ल्क़ फत्तबिउल इस्लाम तसअदु फ़िद दुनिया वल आखिरह अक़ूलु क़ौली हाज़ा व अस्तग़फ़िरुहु ली व लकुम। Respect dear friends and teachers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I would like to speak about a very important topic. What is Islam teaches us? Islam is not just a religion, it is a complete way of life. It guides us in every aspect of life, how to speak, how to behave, how to treat others, and how to make our hearts pure. The first and most important teaching of Islam is Tawheed, the belief that there is only one God, Allah, who created everything and who alone deserves our worship. This belief gives us purpose, direction, and peace. Islam teaches us to follow the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as the best example. His life is a shining model of kindness, patience, honesty, and mercy. If we follow his teaching, our character becomes beautiful. Islam teaches us good manners. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The best among you are those who have the best character." Islam teaches us to speak truth, to be humble, and to avoid hurting others. Even a smile is considered charity in Islam. Islam teaches love and respect. Respect your parents, be kind to your neighbors, help the poor and needy, forgive others even if they hurt you. Islam also teaches justice. We should treat everyone fairly, whether rich or poor, strong or weak. No one has superiority over another except by piety and good action. Islam teaches peace. The word Islam itself comes from salam, which means peace. A true Muslim spread peace wherever he goes. Dear friends, if we truly follow the teaching of Islam, our hearts will be pure, our families will be united, and our society will become full of love and peace. May Allah help us to live our lives according to Islam. Ameen. Thank you. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.